Hello everyone, let us learn word families with it words. It, 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 it. Let us practice it words together. B, it, bit, b, it, bit, bit, bit. H, it, hit, h, it, hit, hit, hit. L, it, lit, l, it, lit, lit, lit. F, it, fit, f, it, fit, fit, fit. K, it, kit, k, it, kit, kit, kit. S, it, sit, s, it, sit, sit, sit. P, it, pit, p, it, pit, pit, pit. M, it, mit, it, mit, mit, mit. W, it, wit, w, it, wit, wit, wit. Bit, hit, lit, fit,